Wow, what a pleasant day. Look over there.
If you have the daughters, give them to your sons. One a penny, two a penny, hot cross
Hello friends. Let's come with us.
Hello friends.
Hot cross buns,
Hey, what's going on?
cross buns. One a penny, two a penny,
Have a
hot
look
cross
here.
buns. If you have the daughters,
Wow, awesome.
give them to your sons. One a penny, two a penny, hot cross buns.
What shall we do?
Let's do this.
Hot cross buns, one a penny, two a penny, hot cross buns.
Hey,
If you
this is
have
too
the
heavy.
daughters, give them to your sons. One a penny,
Amazing.
two a penny, hot cross buns. Here we go round the mulberry
What shall we
bush,
do?
The mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush.
Have a look
early
here.
in the morning.
This
This
is
is
a
the
duck.
way we jump out of bed. Jump out
Amazing.
of bed. Jump out of bed. This is the way we jump out of bed early in the morning.
This
the
is
way
horse.
we wash ourselves. Wash ourselves. Wash
That is
ourselves.
awesome.
This is the way we wash ourselves early in the morning.
This is a sheep.
This is the way we brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. Brush
This
our
is
teeth.
dog.
This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning.
Amazing.
This is the way we comb
This
our
is
hair.
a pig.
Comb our hair. Comb our hair. This is the way
Have
we
a
comb
look
our
here.
hair early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes. Put on our clothes.
This
put
is
on our
cow.
clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes early in the
This
morning.
place is so much fun.
This is the way we eat our food. Eat our food. Eat our food. This is
This
the way
is
we
a
eat our
cat.
food early in the morning.
Wow, awesome.
This is the way we clean our boots, clean our boots, clean our boots. This is the way we clean our boots early in the morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we
Wow.
go to school early in the morning.
That was wonderful, guys.
This is the way we wave goodbye, wave goodbye. This is the way we wave goodbye early in the morning.
I will see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Cambiato. Namaste.
This is a cat. This is a sheep. This is cow. This is dog. This is a pig. This is horse. This is horse. This is dog. This is a cat. This is a hen. This is a pig. This is a sheep. This is cow. Banana. Grapes. Kiwi. An orange. Apple.